welcome back to Clean Eating Kitchen, where I share real food recipes and tips that help you feel great. I'm Carrie, and I want to share this delicious peach mango peanut butter smoothie with you today. We only have 5 ingredients, including unsweetened almond milk, about 1.5 cups of frozen peaches, 2 tablespoons of peanut butter, a cup of frozen mango chunks, and I have 2 scoops of collagen protein powder. Now, there are so many adaptations to this recipe that you can make. For instance, if you want to make this recipe vegan, you can just replace the collagen protein powder with a vegan protein powder. If you are sensitive to nuts, you can replace the almond milk with hemp milk, and you can replace the peanut butter with 1/2 of an avocado, or whatever ingredients work for you. But this recipe is so easy. It is literally less than 5 minutes to pull everything together and throw it in the blender. And you can make this for a breakfast because it has a nice amount of protein, or it can be a healthy snack. And I have 2 cups. It's going to make about 2 nice servings. So you can see I just added the almond milk and the frozen fruit. Now I'm adding the peanut butter. And this smoothie tastes like a milkshake, like a peanut butter milkshake with a mild taste of the fruit. And by the way, I made this a banana-free smoothie because I get so many questions about people who can't eat bananas. And mango is a really great substitute for banana because it has soluble fiber, which is what a banana has, and it helps provide for that creamy texture. And mango is slightly sweet, and so it's really interchangeable with frozen banana. So I've added everything to the blender. I locked on the lid, and now I'm just going to blend it for about 15 seconds. Okay, it is so creamy and perfect. It smells like a peanut butter smoothie. Just look at that texture. Oh, this is going to be so good. And because it has the protein, it can really stand in as a meal replacement. If you want it to be creamier, you can add a little bit more almond milk. So let me grab a spoon. And eating smoothies with a spoon is actually better for digestion because it allows you to more interact the digestive enzymes in your mouth with what you're eating. And so it makes it easier to digest whatever you're eating as opposed to just drinking it out of a straw or drinking it straight. So I really recommend eating a smoothie with a spoon, as funny as that sounds. If you want it to be a little bit sweeter, you could add a little tiny bit of maple syrup. Otherwise, I think it is perfect, and it's a perfect breakfast smoothie. So I will link to my other playlist of some of my other favorite smoothie recipes, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye, everybody.